According to Ayurveda, every dravya present in this universe is composed of Pancha Mahabhutas, that is, Sarvadravyam Panchabhautikam Asmin Asti. Be it living or non-living, it is Panchabhautik. The concept of Pancha Mahabhut is intensely and scientifically circulated in Ayurvedic classics and accredited that human body is Panchabhautik. These are the minutest elements which constitute living and non-living matters. The word Pancha Mahabhuta is derived from the word Pancha, which means 5, and Bhuta means which exists. The equilibrium of these 5 elements in human body denotes the health, while the imbalance of these denote disease. According to Sankhya Darshan, there are 2 basic causative factors for the creation. They are Prakriti and Purush. When Prakriti comes in contact with Purush, Prakriti gets stimulated. Prakriti and Purush unite now, and this union is very much required for the creation. Prakriti has a prefix pra in Sanskrit, means which exists before. Therefore, Prakriti means which exists before any other Karya Dravyas. It is the causative factor or Karana of creation. By this union, Mahat is created. Mahat is the Buddhi which differentiates between right and wrong and is the one that takes the decision. Ahankara is that which gives feeling of I and myself, makes creature differentiate itself from remaining world. Sattvic Ahankara, with the help of Rajasic Ahankara, produce 11 Indriyas, that is 5 Jnanendriya, 5 Karmendriya and 1 Mana. Tamasic Ahankara, with the help of Rajasic Ahankara, produce 5 Tanmatra, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Tanmatra are subtle form of 5 Mahabhutas. 5 Mahabhuta evolve from Pancha Tanmatra. All these Tanmatra, the Sukshma Rupa of Mahabhuta, lead to the generation of Sthula Rupas or Mahabhutas. Akash is evolved from Shabda. The union of Shabda and Sparsha Tanmatra in the presence of Ahankara gives Vayu, Mahabhut. Agni Mahabhut is generated from Shabda Sparsha Rupa Tanmatra with the help of Ahankara. Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa Tanmatra in the presence of Ahankara are the causative factor for the formation of Jala Mahabhut. And all the 5 Tanmatras in the presence of Ahankara leads to the formation of Prithvi Mahabhut. According to the genesis order of Pancha Mahabhut is that at first Akash is originated, after that Vayu, Agni, Jala and Prithvi respectively. After Akash Mahabhut, each succeeding Mahabhut contains the quality of preceding Mahabhut. Akash Mahabhut has predominancy of Sattva Ahankara, has Guna Shabda and is made up of Shabda Tanmatra. It has qualities like Nabhasam Sukshma Vishadha, Laghu Shabda Gunolbanam and does Karya Saushirya Laghavakaram, that is, gives softness, porousness, lightness. Akash Mahabhut is expansive and porous. The pores of the body are contribution of Akash Mahabhut. All the Srotas, Shabda and Karma are contribution of Akashiya Bhav. Vayu Mahabhut has Raja Ahankar predominance, Guna Sparsha and is made up of Shabda and Sparsha Tanmatra. It has gunas like Vayavyam Ruksha Vishadha Laghu Sparsha Gunolbanam and does Karya Raukshalaghava Vaishadya Vicharagglanikaraka, that is, roughness, tiredness of sense organs, movement, ungreasiness, lightness, holding in proper position. Uchvas, Nishvas, Unmesh, Nimesh, Akunchan, Prasaran, Preenan and Dharan are functions of Vayu Mahabhut. Especially, Sparsha and Sparshan Indriya are contribution of Vatash Bhav. Agni Mahabhut has Sattva Raja Ahankar predominance, has Rupa Guna and made up of Shabda Sparsha and Rupa Tanmatra. It has gunas like Ushna Tikshnoshna Vishadha Sukshma Rupa Gunolbana and does Karya Agneyam Daha Bhavarna Prakasha Pachanatmaka, that is, it gives burning sensation, does digestion, lustre, illumination, complexion, warmth and support. The Ushma present in the body is contributed by Agni Mahabhut. The Pitta, Ushma, Prabha, Roop and Netra are contributed by Agni Bhav. Jala Mahabhut has Sattva and Tama Ahankar predominance. It has Rasa Guna made up of Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa and Rasa Tanmatra. It has gunas like Dravashita Guru Snigdha Manda Sandra Rasolbanam and does Karya Apyam Snehana Vishanda Kleda Pralhada Bandhakrut, that is, it gives moisture, viscidity, liquefaction, softness, refreshness, cohesion, etc. The qualities such as Drava, Sara, Manda, Snigdha, Mrudu, Pichila are contribution of Jala Mahabhut. Rasa, Rakta, Vasa, Kapha, Pitta, Mutra and Speda are made up of predominantly Jaliya Bhav. Prithvi Mahabhut has Tama Ahankar predominance. It has Guna, Gandha and is made up of Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Tanmatra. It has properties like Guru, Sthula, Sthira, Gandha, Gunolbanam and does Karya Parthivam, Gauravam, Sairya, Sanghata, Pachayavaham, that is, growth, compactness, heaviness, steadiness, resistance and retention. All the Sthula, Sthira, Murtiman, Guru, Khara, hard parts of the body are made up of Prithvi Mahabhut. Nakha, Asti, Danta, Maunsa, Tvacha, Purisha, hair, Smashru, Lom, Kandara and all the smell and Nasika are contribution of Prithvi Bhav.